Let's take a look at this math cartoon. This cartoon is designed with a play on words using math terminology. The letter I is the variable that's used to indicate an imaginary number. I is actually equal to the square root of -1. Since you cannot take the square root of a negative, it's called imaginary, and the opposite of an imaginary number would be a real number. So in this cartoon, pi is telling the variable I that he needs to get real. Now let's take a look at pi. Pi is considered an irrational number. This is because it cannot be written as a fraction or a ratio. It's a decimal that never repeats and it never terminates. When we write pi, we typically think about the decimal 3.14. Now, if you've ever looked at the number pi, you know that it continues on and on forever. It never terminates, it never repeats. It's 3.14159, and the numbers continue, and there's no pattern. It just continues on and on and on. So that makes it irrational. So in the cartoon, the variable I is telling pi that he needs to be rational. Funny stuff.